In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete tabs in Google Sheets, step by step. Let's start with deleting a single tab, which Google Sheets also calls a sheet. First, open the Google Sheet where you want to remove a tab. Make sure you're in the correct file, especially if it's a shared document, so you don't accidentally delete something important. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see all the tabs that belong to this spreadsheet, each one usually with a name like Sheet 1 or something more descriptive if you've renamed it. Find the tab you want to delete. Take a moment to double-check that it's the right one, because once it's gone, you can't easily bring it back unless you undo immediately or use version history. Next, move your cursor over that tab. You'll see a small downward-facing arrow appear next to the tab's name. Click that arrow to open a menu of options for this sheet. In that menu, look for the option labeled Delete and click it. Google Sheets will show you a pop-up warning asking you to confirm that you really want to delete this sheet. Read the message to be sure, then click OK to confirm. The tab will disappear, and all the data on that sheet will be removed from the file. Now, let's look at how to delete multiple tabs at once, which can save a lot of time if you're cleaning up a large spreadsheet. First, you need to select the tabs you want to delete. If the tabs are next to each other in a row, click on the first tab in the group, then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding Shift, click on the last tab in the range you want to remove. All the tabs between the first and last one should now be highlighted, showing they're selected together. If the tabs you want to delete are not next to each other, start by clicking the first tab you want to remove. Then hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac and click each additional tab you want to include in the selection. Each one you click while holding that key will become highlighted. Once you've selected all the tabs you want to delete, right-click on any one of the highlighted tabs. A context menu will appear. Click on Delete. Just like before, Google Sheets will ask you to confirm in a pop-up message. If everything looks correct, click OK. All of the selected tabs will be deleted at the same time.